Okay, so we are going to install CentOS Linux on EVE-NG. As we know, we can install CentOS either any flavor of Linux and VMware Workstation and any other virtualization environment. So the same thing we can install CentOS on EVE-NG. So how we can install? So let's go. This is my EVE-NG 192.168.114.128. Next thing I need to open WinSCP, any FTP utility. So I'm using this one. Let me log in. This is the IP address, root and EVE. I already saved, so that's why. Login. So I'm directly here in OPT unit lab adds on and QEMU. You need to be here. Next thing, we need a CentOS, either any Linux flavor. Same like I'm using Kali Linux, also TinyCore Linux. But this time I'm going to install CentOS. So you can go to this Google Drive, which is free, and you can download all the images. Either you can use torrent file. So this is the Linux CentOS. Okay, and you need to right click and download from here. So someone already created this one. Not only this, a lot of images is ready made. We don't need to configure them. So it's already here. By the way, let me cancel this one. I already download because it will take time. So let me go to download folder. And I believe a CentOS will be here. I think so. Let me see. It's in C drive and it's in compress folder. Okay, so let me go to compress folder, and here is CentOS. Let me check out Linux CentOS. Yeah, so this one. So I unzip, and it should be unzip one should be here. Okay, so let's check out the name. I forgot the name. Okay, yeah, it's here. Yeah, so it's inside this one. When you download from Google Drive, so it will be here, Linux CentOS, and inside the file name has to be this one, VIRTIOA and QCOW2. So my image is ready. I download from Google Drive. Okay, next thing, you just need to drag this one. So I'm already here, and just drag this one to OPT unit lab adds on and QEMU folder. Okay, so it will take some time. And next thing, I need to log in here, root EVE, Control L, and I need to apply this fix permission command. Whenever you do some changes, so you need to apply this command. You already know this one. So let's go back. So I log in with SFTP. Okay, and now I'm here in OPT unit lab adds on and QEMU folder. Okay, this is the remote path, this is the local path, my system. And then next thing, I just drag Linux CentOS here. The folder name has to be the same with the dash and 8. And then you need to apply this fix permission command. So let me apply. That's it. And now I can use this Linux. So let me log into my Eve. So now I'm in Eve. Right click, go to node, and here type Linux. From here you can choose, because I have 3 different Linux flavor. The one I'm interested in, we just upload this one, Linux CentOS 8. You can change the name if you want. CentOS server, you can change the RAM anyway, and click save. That's it, and right click to start, and then you can use them as normal. So if I click, so it will open, and it will take some time to start. So let's go back. So here I add an object. I choose Linux CentOS 8, and then from here just drag them. Okay, username and password is user and password is test123. Okay, keep in mind, yeah, it's come up now, so it will take some time. So user is the user and T in uppercase. Okay, 123 is the password. So you can log in and you can use CentOS Linux in your EVENG environment. So that's the way how we can install. So let's go back and let's see. Yeah, it's come up, and click user test123 and click sign in. Either you can enter to log in. So let's see, now you will log in. Keep in mind, CentOS and Red Hat is the same thing. We will discuss this in next video. So now I am logged, and here you can see its activity, and from here is terminal, and you can do whatever you want.